Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. And today we're in beautiful Doon South, showcasing my newest listing, 110 Ridgemount Street. Welcome to this move-in ready family home, boasting just under 2,400 square feet of immaculate living space above grade. With 4 bedrooms and an elegant main floor, this home offers ample space for the whole family. The fully finished basement and low maintenance backyard provide additional room for rest and relaxation. You also have no direct front or rear neighbors to block the beautiful sun. Don't let this home pass you by. Number 7, Luxe Carpet-Free Main Floor. The beautiful engineered hardwood and tile flooring begins in the foyer and welcomes you into this stunning home. With 9-foot ceilings, California shutters, and an abundance of windows throughout, this main floor invites the natural light in. The backyard fronts due east, while the front of the home faces due west. You get beautiful morning sun at the back of the home and beautiful sunsets at the front. The pot lights and updated light fixtures add a touch of modern elegance. You'll appreciate the comfortable living room, which offers a picturesque view of the backyard. And you also have a powder room. Number 6, main floor laundry. Wrapping up the main floor is a convenient laundry room. Number 5, the kitchen. Unleash your culinary creativity in this well-equipped kitchen. Featuring sleek quartz countertops, an abundance of soft-closed ceiling height cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and an island with breakfast bar, this kitchen is a chef's dream. For those special occasions, you can gather in the elegant formal dining area and create lasting memories. Number 4, fully fenced backyard. This low-maintenance backyard provides ample space for the kids and pets to run and play freely. The composite fence and landscaping add an elevated touch while keeping maintenance to a minimum. Let your imagination roam free in this beautiful blank canvas. Number 3, bedrooms and baths. Upstairs, you'll find 4 well-appointed bedrooms and a main 5-piece bath with double sinks and shower tub combo. The master suite has a walk-in closet and a deluxe 5-piece ensuite with double sinks, a soaker tub, and a stand-up shower. Number 2, finished basement. This freshly finished basement offers endless possibilities with its carpet-free layout and features a 3-piece bath with stand-up shower complete with soft closed doors and niche. Express your style by designing a space that truly reflects you. Number 1, location. Situated in the desirable and family-friendly neighborhood of Doon South, this home offers close proximity to parks, schools, shopping centers, Conestoga College, and convenient access to major highways including Highway 401 and the Expressway. Thanks for joining me today. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow me on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you on the next one.